Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of testing a new trading strategy. Um, let's get into it. It's about 12:18 on Wednesday, April 20th. Yeah, so I got to lunch a little bit late today. It looks like one of our positions, Target, already closed out with a profit, which is fantastic. Overall P&L year to date is 43 bucks, which is good. And Wells Fargo is still going against us, which is fine. Let's take a look at that one. So it's up 2%. Dollar. Our option price is, or our option strike is about 50 bucks, right? Okay. And this is good. So this is moving up too. So 50% return now looks like it's at 46 bucks and 64 cents. So we just got to hope this turns around, which I think it might actually. Let's see. And I'm going to make an adjustment to this watch list as well. So after market yesterday, I saw another opportunity come up that we missed. Let me just close out volume and I'll stick with open interest. So yesterday, ULTA, UTLA or ULTA, popped up on the list afterwards, and it looked like a really good opportunity, but we missed it because it didn't meet that 500 contract volume just yet at that point when we checked it at lunch. So I'm taking it off of the scan filter so it will actually show up in our watch list here. And I just realized I didn't save it, so that's there. Let me go save this. Just run it just in case. Save. Yep. All optionable. Yep. Okay. All right, and then Ulta should pop up here. Actually, let's go by dollar amount. There we go. Yep, and it's up again today. So I'll be taking a look at that in a little bit. All right, so now this is updated. Let's go jump into some of these charts. So this, nope. And just to reiterate, what we're looking for is when this weekly chart, so this blue line on this weekly is below this gray line for the last candle, and then is up above the gray line on this candle. And then for this indicator, we're looking for it, is it above or below 0? So that helps identify whether it's going to go up or down. And then we're looking for two of these bars to be the same color. And then we're looking whether this is up or down. So we're looking for these three to confirm the right direction. And then this one is kind of like our go signal, right? So we're just going to look for the go signal. If we don't have a go signal, then we are moving on. Man, that one, I still like that one, but that's a nope. Nope. I still need to evaluate whether, as long as it's above the gray line and maybe below this green line on the weekly, and then if it crosses above this gray line here, that would be a go signal. I need to back test that to see how that works, because it might be a good addition here. United Healthcare, nope. Nope. Deer, nope. Ulta, yeah. Okay, so this is an interesting one because, look at this. It's really, really driving up. And it seems like it's overextended. And one thing I like to do, I'm going to add another indicator here. Let's go to studies. I'll just add a quick one here. And we're going to go to Keltner channels. Right, and one thing you'll find is that, and this is pretty interesting, consistency, I'll call it, is that usually the price sticks within 2 average true range from the 21 exponential moving average, right? So let's take a look at this. So it is above the 2 ATR point from the 21. Yeah, and here's the lower point. So this could continue to ride up. Like it could just kind of stay above the line. Let's see if we have another example here. And just like continue to go up before it rebounds. Nope. Okay. However, for the strategy I'm running now, that is not a consideration. We're not considering whether it's overextended or not. I still want to get below a support level here. So I'm going to make a trade because this fits, right? This fits. We got this crossing up, we got this above the 0, and we got, 2 up here, and this is above 0. So this is a solid go signal. So let's look at, okay, so 400 is the closest support line. I try to stick with 21, and I don't know what to do here. I don't know. Should we go with, what is it? Was it 400? Was it that I said? Yeah, 400 as the support, or should we go with 390 perhaps? Well, let's take a look here. Let's see. 400. It's got an 80% chance of success. What does this look like? Let's do $5 wide still. So it'd be $160. There's what, 840 to 160. Okay, and then 80 is, oh man, 90% chance of success. Or 90 is I think what I was looking at. 55. You know what? I'm gonna stick with. Or should I go with 30? Because 30 was what I was originally going with. As far as like kind of a good ratio there. This is tough. This is a tough choice. Okay, well, 400 is below the 21 here. We'll go with 400. Let's keep it below. I think I'm going to be good, even at 410. So let's be a little more cautious and go with 400. Sell a vertical, 5 wide, not 85, 95. And wrong direction. 2, okay. So 85, that's good. And let's see. So we got some open interest, not a whole lot of volume. More open interest down here. But this looks like we got some contracts here. Not a huge amount, but it should be okay. We're going to try it out. Let's see if we can get filled. It looks like maybe not. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit because it was at 80 a second ago. So if I can't get filled at 80, I'm going to leave it be. And we'll just let this run. See if it actually hits that point or not. It gets filled. That'll just be what it'll be. Let's take a look and see what else we got. Adobe, nope. 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 Goldman. And this is kind of rough because, I mean, look at all these that we're skipping over. We're skipping over, I don't know, it feels like 90%, like a quite a large majority of stocks because they have earnings coming up. And I cheated a little bit. I looked at Netflix before hopping on. And I'll show you here. This is exactly why we don't trade earnings reports. Look at that. It was at over 300. I mean, it's dropped over $100, right? From their earnings report. Was that yesterday? Right. Look at this. So earnings were estimated at $2.92. Actual. So they beat earnings estimates and they lost $100 a share. It's nuts. There's probably something big in their news or future direction that investors didn't like. Let's get back to this. Oh, hey, look, it filled. How fantastic. DG, no. Target. Yeah, target filled. It still looks good. I mean, this is, look at that. Look at how overextended that looks right now above the Keltner channels. There, 2 ATR. Yep. So this is what I meant by like riding the top of it a little bit, right? So it kind of sticks there along that line. And it can stay up for a little bit. I mean, that's what Ulta could be doing, and that's what Target could be doing. I don't know. I'm not worried about that with this strategy. We're going to test it out long term like this and just see how it goes. Okay, that's a nope. Nope. Almost. So we got some coming up that are probably going to be good opportunities. I mean, Workday. Nope. Not quite. I mean, next week we're probably going to get a go signal, but we're not going to get a clear. Most likely, we're not going to get a clear direction. NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA is like, if we get that go signal next week, then this is definitely down. FedEx, nope. Lowe's. Yeah, Lowe's, I mean, still looks like a decent short opportunity, but it's not matching criteria yet. Or, well, it passed that criteria. Nope. I don't think we're going to find anything today, which is okay. Nope. CRM. Nope. But close. Nope. Can't see. Nope. Hopefully we'll find at least one more that our filters were catching before. No idea what this is. Okay, oh, that has earnings. Yeah, nope. Sadly not clear. Nope. GME, not yet. Okta, nope. DSM, nope. Smuckers. Okay, so this crossed up. This is a go, this is a go, this is a go. Looks a little overextended, but whatevs. Yeah, I mean, this all looks good. Let's see what it looks like. It's got some good open interest. Okay, 135 is 22 or 21 EMA. And that's not a lot. I don't really like that risk to reward ratio on there. So 5,000, nope. That's wrong number. Yeah, so risking 930 to make 70. I'm hoping for at least 10%, right? I want this to at least be 100 for every 1,000. That's a good risk to reward for me. 140 is a little too high for me. So I like the setup. I don't like the prices. Sadly, we're gonna have to move on, and then hopefully we get an opportunity later. Paychecks. I don't know this one. Nope. I mean, didn't just cross over, so we're gonna skip that. Nike, nope. Nope. It'll be nice to use the arrow keys. I don't like the fact that it's got a split coming up. Nope. Okay, here's another interesting thing too. So let's say this was a go. Right? It actually would have been a go to the upside. Maybe here. No, I was at minus 91. This was, yeah, so this would have been a go because it was greater than -1. So this would have been a go, right? And then we would have come across this. And sadly, this would have been an exit signal for us. So even though it went up, this would have been an exit signal, which is kind of interesting. I haven't come across this yet, so I'm going to take a look at this. Hang on to that for later. Do some analysis. Because this might be a one-off, or it might disprove my strategy. We're gonna find out. The point here is to be as objective as we can about the trading strategy, because it's about making money and not losing money, not about what's exciting or just being right. So nope. Nope. I mean, I like the candles, but getting a not good signal here. TSM, nope. Nope. Best Buy, nope. 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 Look at that though. Had we gotten into it when this first crossed, even here, if we would have gotten above 98, I mean, that was still, we would have cashed out. Time decay on that for 2 weeks would have gotten us out of that position. No, we definitely have some stuff setting up though. So next week we should have some more positions. Here we go. TD. Here's another one. Crossed up. This is an up week. Fine and good. Earnings aren't coming until next month. Okay. Yep. This is a short position. Let's take a look at. Not a whole lot. Okay. I guess cumulatively there's a good bit of open interest. 77. As long as I can get over 77.50, I'm good. And there we go. Yeah, volume's kind of low on this. Open interest is not bad. Not great, but not horrible. Okay, so this is a $2.50 wide. 70. That's actually pretty good. 37 delta. So this is higher than, or actually I should say lower than a 70% chance of success that we typically go for. This is closer to 60. But with everything else lined up, we're at a resistance level. I think we're pretty good. So we're going to do 4, which would put total of $1,000 tied up into this position. 70 cents. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good risk to reward ratio, considering. And we'll see if we can get that filled. Yeah, so we got that. Yeah, we will see how this goes. Looks like it's rebounding too. Looks like it was really pushing against that 2 ATR. And now it's kind of rebounding a bit. So I wouldn't be surprised if it actually got close to 77.50. Maybe even touched it or got to 78. But I don't think it's going to break above that. I mean, we'll see. I could be wrong. But let's keep moving on. Nope, nope. Then we got another fake out kind of situation here where I guess it got above and then switched directions on us. So I feel like that's definitely going to happen to us. Oh, man. So close. So close. Really got overextended here. Look at that. So this is going to be a go next week for sure. I gotta hurry up. I'm pushing up against my time here. So we got a lot more stocks here. I wish I could change the filter. Okay. It's tough because it looked like it would have triggered last week. It's not part of the strategy. I mean, I like this one. I would probably go short maybe in the next day or so because I think this is probably going to hit another one of these resistance levels and trail off, but it does not meet the criteria we are looking for to the T, and we're not at the point yet where we're going to get a little bit flexible with it and try some things out. We're going to be consistent first and then kind of make changes as we go. Yep. Wait a second. Nope. Okay. Yeah, sadly on paper trading, I can't programmatically set up these triggers that I'm looking for in the scan filter. Oh, hey, we got filled. Great. Because it doesn't let you do study filters in paper accounts, but you can totally do it on live accounts, which I may consider using my live account filter actually to help find trades. Okay, so this is up, up, up. I think that just crossed up. What were you? Yeah, well, it crossed up last week, and it's about the same. So it's up here. I think it's struggling here. I'm going to say no, because it is not part of... Yeah, look at that. You got a good bit of open interest, surprisingly, on this one. So a lot of people putting in, looks like naked puts here. Oops, let's go back to charts. Was it just me or was there like no volume? Yeah, volume's in the gutter on the put side. So that's gonna be a no. All right, I may call it here in a minute, even though I didn't get through all of these. Ooh, that's another up. Overextended, it looks like, but let's see. How did that make it through the filter? It's probably counting in open interest from these other things too. I'm gonna need to adjust that. Volume looks like trash on here. Yeah, I might have to reset volume maybe just to a lower number to get rid of some of these. I'm gonna play with some numbers. Yeah, I'm gonna call it for right now. I'm gonna play with some of these numbers in the scan filter to see what a good volume number and maybe a good open interest number. I don't know what that looks like. I'm gonna have to play with that, and we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned. We'll see how these positions go. Looks like both of them did in fact execute. We had this one close out earlier. Oh man, look at that. I'm down on all of these. That's probably because liquidity on these is not great. But whatever, it's good. We got 30 days on it to make changes or for it to turn around. And we got time decay on our side that will erode the value of these options so we can buy them back cheaper. So stay tuned. We'll see how these positions go. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to do that below. That way you can get all these updates daily. And I'm probably going to post some videos on how I came up with this strategy and how the strategy works overall. All right, take care. Bye, guys.